Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best soil test kit that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best soil test kit. Getting the correct balance of nutrients in your garden soil is key to helping your vegetables, plants, and flowers thrive and grow all season long. However, your soil's nutrients can fluctuate depending on the environment, the soil itself, and whether or not you add things like fertilizer in. This is why it's important to have a soil test kit on hand to find out the nutrient levels. Number 5. iPower Soil pH Meter 3-in-1 Tester Kit for Moisture. If the soil meter's pointer does not rotate, maybe the plants are very dry. It means that your plants need to water. Ideal tool for indoor/outdoor plants. Main features: lightweight and portable design. No battery or solar power. 12 months warranty. Number 4. Yo-Yo Max Soil Test Kit pH Moisture Meter Plant Water Light Testing. Adjust the probe until the pointer on the dial swings slightly. Remove probe from soil and wipe clean after each use. Main features: no batteries or electricity needed. Compact and portable use. 24 hours customer service. Number 3. My Soil Pro Pack 2 Soil Test Kits 1 DIY Soil Probe. DIY Soil Probe for easy sample collection. Multiple kits allows users to test a garden and lawn, multiple garden beds or multiple lawn locations. Main features: stainless steel for a lifetime of use. Soil probe designed. Made in the USA. Number 2. Sunker Soil pH Meter Tester Gardening Toolkits for Plant Care. This moisture meter is designed to better know the condition of your plant, determine if plants get enough sunlight to keep plants grow healthier. Main features: indoor and outdoor use. Accurate and reliable. 3-in-1 function. Number 1. A Tree Soil pH Meter 3-in-1 Soil Tester Kits with Moisture. Have you ever dreamed of owning a large glossy and green lawn covered with many plants or beautiful garden full of all kinds of fresh flowers? Main features: compact for indoor and outdoor use. No battery needed. Easy to use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.